Some people are get panicked when they see their buzzri are not hatching eggs. There is a science between it. In general, buzzri lay 6 to 8 eggs in a breeding season, or in this time, the difference between the first egg to last egg is about 8 to 10 days. So think that if the buzzri are start hatching egg from day 1, then the first egg will be hatched in day 18 and the last egg will get hatched after 12 day of the first egg. That's a problematic thing. The first comer babies get bigger and the new babies are getting small. They should not able to feed them properly, and sometimes these things is influenced to kill the small babies by the bigger one. For this reason, buzzrigger start to hatch their egg when they already lay about 4 to 6 eggs. So don't try to get panicked about their hatching time and hatching period. They will do this task when it's need. Now let's talk about some basic tips that how to care a female buzzard when they start laying eggs. The number one things you have to do is to clean the breeding box, because if you don't clean the breeding box on the previous period of breeding or on the previous period of laying eggs, it may cause of storing a huge number of potties on the breeding pot, and then when the new babies are come out from eggshell, they should get die because of this unusual potty of the female bird. For this reason, you have must be ensured a clean and proper environment before your bird are start laying eggs, or after laying 1 or 2 egg. You can also do the same task to save your new chicks from unusual death. The next thing is about mineral block, cuttlefish bone and grit. Ensure using mineral block because these block supply a lots of minerals on bird body. These minerals are like as calcium, magnesium, zinc, phosphate and a lots of other natural minerals on this block, and this should ensure the lack of those mineral on bird body. In this time you must ensure cuttlefish bone because when bird start laying eggs, a lots of mineral and calcium are released to prepare those eggs. For this reason, they get lack of calcium and other mineral on their body. And cuttlefish bone is a great source of calcium and also calcium carbonate. These cuttlefish bone are supply different types of natural mineral on bird body, and this ensure a proper health for the birds. You must also ensure grit in this time because grit support them to digest their food and healthier their stomach. So try to ensure all of those things as like as mineral block, cuttlefish bone, grit and also vitamin supplement. A vitamin supplement is important for all the time when you rearing them because they need different types of vitamin on their body, and a vitamin supplement is a complete solution provide all the nutrient which they need. The next factor you must care about female buzzard is egg food. Try to give egg food for 3 or 4 days in a week. Egg food should prepare by using chicken egg or by using breads. On other hand, you can also use egg fruit as supplement of vegetables. You can also provide vegetables like lettuce, bok choy, Chinese cabbage. You can also use germinated seed as their egg food. Germinated seed of corn, millet or wheat should supply a lots of vitamin on your bird body. So try to ensure all the things which I prefer in this video to get a healthy bird on breeding time and on laying time. Thanks for watching the full video. If you want to get more information about buzzard care and their tips and tricks, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get new video notification quickly. Thanks for watching the full video.